Hello, my dear children. Let us continue with construction of triangles. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Construction 3. To construct a triangle, if its perimeter, base, and the angles which include the base are given. This example is there on your textbook page 55. Question. Construct triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11.3 centimeter. Measure angle B is equal to 70 degree. Measure angle C is equal to 60 degree. Now let's draw a rough figure. This is our rough figure according to the question. As shown in the figure, points P and point Q are taken on BC such that PB is equal to AB and CQ is equal to AC. Therefore, let's give this PB is equal to AB and CQ is equal to AC as equation 1 and 2. So, PQ, this whole line PQ is formed by adding PB plus BC plus CQ. Now we are going to substitute the values as PB is equal to AB. So we are, instead of PB, we are substituting AB, and BC as it is. CQ is AC. So we are substituting CQ as AC. Now children, you can see AB plus BC plus AC is already given in the question as 11.3. So ultimately we can write here as 11.3 centimeter. So our whole line PQ has become 11.3. Now in triangle PBA, this triangle PBA, here PB and BA are equal, that is given in starting. Angle APB and angle PBA is equal. Angle APB plus angle PAB is equal to the exterior angle ABC, that is 70 degree, which is given. Reason, theorem of remote interior angles. So therefore, angle APB is equal to angle PAB, that is 35 degree. Similarly, we can prove about this triangle, that is triangle CAQ. Here, angle CAQ and ACQ is equal to 30 degree. As angle ACB, that is the exterior angle, is 60 degree. So these angles will become 30 degree. Now we can draw triangle PAQ as its two angles. These two angles and the included side is known. Since BA and BP point B lies on perpendicular bisector of AP. Similarly, CA is equal to CQ as point C lies on the perpendicular bisector of AQ. Steps for construction. Let us construct. First, you will construct this line segment PQ of 11.3 centimeter. Step number 2, draw a ray making an angle of 35 degree from point P. Step number 3, draw another ray making of 30 degree from point Q. This is the way your angle will be formed. From P 35 degree and from Q 30 degree, and the rays where they are meeting, we will plot it as point A. Now step number 5, draw a perpendicular bisector of seg AP and seg AQ. Name the points as B and C respectively where the perpendicular bisectors lie on PQ. So here we are supposed to name the perpendicular bisectors of AP and AQ as B and C, that is the base. This is the way you will be constructing the perpendicular bisector of AP and AQ. Then you will be joining seg AB and seg AC. So our triangle ABC is the required triangle which is constructed. Practice set 4.3. Question number 1. Construct triangle PQR in which angle Q is equal to 70 degree, angle R is equal to 80 degree, PQ plus QR plus PR is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Students, if you have understood the first example of this session, then it is easier to understand this question. Let us try this question now. This is the rough figure of this question. Let us understand the explanation. As shown in the figure, take point T and point S on line QR, this is your base, such that QT is equal to PQ and RS is equal to PR. Here, let us give all together it as equation 1. Now how your TS is forming, students? TS is forming by adding TQ plus QR plus RS. That is T dash Q dash R and Q dash R dash S. Therefore PQ plus QR plus PR is equal to TS. This is equation 2 and we are substituting these values from 1 as they are equal. Now in our question it was already given that PQ plus QR plus PR is 9.5. So ultimately our full segment becomes 9.5 centimeter. Now let us see the triangle PQT. You can see this triangle PQT, children. So here PQ and QT are equal. That is from 1. Now let's give angle QPT and angle QTP as X, that is isosceles triangle theorem, and give it as equation 4. In triangle PQT, angle PQR is exterior angle. Therefore, angle QPT plus angle TPQ is equal to angle PQR. Reason, remote interior angle theorem. As we have assumed them X, so X plus X is equal to 70 degree. Adding up, we get 2x is equal to 70 degree. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equal to 35. Both the angles, that is these two angles, will be measuring 35 degree. Similarly, we can prove for this triangle, that is triangle PRS. So, as you can see, this was 70 degree. These two angles have become 35. Similarly, this is 80 degree. So obviously, students, how much this will become? This will become 40 and this angle will also become 40. Now in triangle PTS, the whole triangle, you can see angle T is equal to 35 degree, angle S is equal to 40 degree, TS is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Triangle PTS can be drawn. Since PQ and TQ, point Q lies on the perpendicular bisector of seg PT, also RP and RS are equal. So point R lies on the perpendicular bisector of PS. Points Q and R can be located by drawing a perpendicular bisector of PT and PS. Therefore, triangle PQR can be drawn. So, let's see the construction and let us construct it. Step number 1. Draw seg AB of 9.5 centimeter. Draw an angle of measuring 35 degree at vertex A and an angle measuring 40 degree from vertex B. When these two rays are extended, name the point as P where they intersect. This is the way we will name them. Step number 3. Draw line L perpendicular bisector of PA intersecting at AB at point Q. Similarly, draw line M perpendicular bisector of sec PB intersecting AB at point R. Next step, draw sec PQ and PR. And lastly, our triangle is formed. Therefore, triangle PQR is our required triangle. Question number 2. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y is equal to 58 degree, angle X is equal to 46 degree and perimeter of triangle is 10.5 centimeter. This is our rough figure. Let's see how this rough figure is formed. As shown in the figure, take point W and take point V on line YX such that YW is equal to ZY and XV is equal to ZX. Let us give that equation 1. Now, how this full line is formed? That is WV. WV is formed by adding WY plus YX plus XV. Reason, W dash Y dash X, Y dash X dash V. Angle Y, ZY, students make this as ZY plus YX plus ZX is equal to YW. WV. I repeat this statement again, children. That is from equation 2 we get. Substituting the values which is given in the question, we get it as 10.5. Here there is bit of printing mistake that you can do it later on. In triangle ZWY, this triangle we can see. Angle Y, this is children ZY. ZY is equal to YM from 1, which we have already proved it. Now angle YZW is equal to angle YWZ. Let us give that X. That is an equation 4. Reason, isosceles triangle theorem. In triangle ZYW, angle XYZ is exterior angle. Therefore, adding these interior angles, we will get the total of exterior angle. The reason is remote interior angle theorem. That is, angle YZW plus YWZ is equal to ZYX. Substituting the values, we get X plus X is equal to 58 degree. That is from equation 4. 2X is equal to 58. Dividing both sides by 2, we get X is equal to 29 degree. So we get the value of both these angles as 29 degree. Similarly, we can prove about this triangle. Children, you can see this is 46 degree. Obviously, the half of 46 will be 43. So we get angle V as 23 degree. Now in triangle ZWV, W is equal to 29 degree and V is equal to 23 degree and WV is equal to 10 centimeter. Hence triangle ZWV can be drawn. Since ZY is equal to YW, point Y lies on the perpendicular bisector of ZW. Also, ZX is equal to XV. Point X lies on the perpendicular bisector of ZV. Points Y and X can be located by drawing a perpendicular bisector ZW and ZV. Therefore, triangle XYZ can be drawn. So, let's see the steps for construction. Step number 1. Draw sec PQ of length 10.5 centimeter. Step number 2. Draw an angle measuring 23° at vertex P and angle 29° at vertex Q. As we have finished drawing this, we will be naming the point where the rays are meeting as Z. Step number 3. Draw line L perpendicular bisector of sec PZ intersecting at PQ at point X. Similarly, draw line M as perpendicular bisector of QZ intersecting PQ at point Y. Next step, draw sec YZ and sec XZ and YZ. Therefore, triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Question number 3. Construct triangle LMN in which angle M is equal to 60°, angle N is equal to 80°, angle LM plus MN plus NL is equal to 11 cm. Let's see the rough diagram. As shown in the figure, take point S and point T on line MN. So, on the base we will be taking S and T extending MN such that MS is equal to LM and NT is equal to LN. Give this as equation 1. Now, ST is formed by adding SM plus MN plus NT. Now, substituting the values from equation 1, we get LM plus MN plus LN is equal to ST. Also, LM plus MN plus LN is equal to 11 cm, which is given in the question. So, ultimately ST becomes 11 cm. In triangle LSM, LM is equal to MS, angle MLS and angle MSL are equal and we are assuming it as x degree. Let us give that equation 4. Reason isosceles triangle theorem. In triangle LMS, angle LMN is a exterior angle. So, MLS plus SML is equal to MLN, remote interior angle. Let us substitute the value, that is x plus x is equal to 60°. Reason from 4. So, 2x is equal to 60°. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 30°. So, both the angles become 30°. Now, similarly, here you can see, children, this is angle N has 80°. So, its remote interior angles will become 40°. Now, in triangle LST, the whole major triangle, angle S is 30°, angle T is 40° and ST is 11 cm. Hence, this is triangle, students? Hence, triangle LST can be drawn. Since LM is equal to MS, point M lies on the perpendicular bisector of LS. LN is equal to NT, point N lies on the perpendicular bisector of LT. Point M and N can be located by drawing a perpendicular bisector LS and LT. Therefore, triangle LMN can be drawn. Let's see the steps for construction. Step number 1. Draw sec PQ of 11 cm. Step number 2. Draw an angle measuring 40° from vertex P. Draw an angle of measuring 30° from vertex P and from vertex Q as 40°. This is the way your angles will be formed, children. The rays where they are meeting, we will name it as point L. This is our point L. Now, draw line M as a perpendicular bisector of LQ First, you will be drawing a perpendicular bisector of sec PL, that is line L. It will be meeting at point M. The second step, the next step of perpendicular bisector, you will draw from seg LQ. A line M will be formed and it will meet at point N. This is the way your perpendicular bisectors will be formed, and they will meet at point M and point N. And the next step is we will draw seg LM and seg LN. So our triangle LMN will be constructed. Therefore, triangle LMN is our required triangle. I hope you understood the construction 3. Kindly practice it well. It is very easy. Once you practice it, you will get it. This is the end of session 3. Thank you, dear students. Stay blessed, stay home, take care of yourself.